Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, I'm Lindsay and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this gingerbread eye makeup look. I thought gingerbread men is one of my favorite things around Christmas time, so why not do a makeup look on that type of colors. Before I do get into the tutorial though, please do hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. I'd love to have you on here. Hit the thumbs up button if you do end up enjoying this video. Leave me a comment down below telling me what you thought of this makeup look. And do check out all my social media in the description box if you want to check me out on Instagram or Twitter. And let's get right into the video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this eye makeup tutorial look. I thought it was perfect for Christmas time since gingerbread is like my favorite thing to eat around Christmas time, and I love the colors that go into gingerbread men. It's perfect for makeup. Please do hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. Leave me a comment telling me what you thought about this makeup look, and hit that thumbs up button if you did enjoy this video. It helps me out a ton if you thumbs up the videos when you watch them. I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!